Hi students, this is Alex here. In this problem, we have given a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Let's take a small diagram. We have a cylinder like this and it is surmounted by the conical top. So we have to take a cone above this. It's like this. Now, in the question it is given if the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively. So let's take the height. The height of the cylindrical part is this and the value is 2.1 meter and diameter is 4. Let's take the radius. So it will be half of that value, which is 2 meter. Even the radius of the conical part is also same, which is 2 meter. Then in the question they have given the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. So slant height is nothing but this portion and it is represented as L, and this L value is 2.8 meter. Now the question they have given, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. So we have to find the area and also the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Note that the base of the tent will not be covered with the canvas. So base of the tent we should not include. So this should not be taken into consideration. So from the diagram it is very clear that the area of the canvas used is nothing but curved surface area of the conical part plus curved surface area of the cylindrical part. So let's write here area of the canvas used equal to CSA of the cylinder plus CSA of the cone. Let's write the formula here. CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi r h and CSA of a cone is pi r l. Now we are going to substitute the value, that is 2 into pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 2 and height of the cylinder is 2.1. It is written here 2.1 plus again pi is 22 by 7, radius is 2 and L value is 2.8. That is slant height of the conical part. So 2.8. Now we can cancel this 7 and this 0.3. Similarly, this 7 and 2.8, which is 0.4. Now we can take the common terms out. We find 2 is common, 22 is common. After taking 2 and 22 from each term, this 22 and 2 is taken common from each term. We left with 2 into 0.3 in the first term and in the second term, so plus 0.4 we have to write. Now totally this is 44 into, by multiplying this we get 0.6 and we have to add with 0.4. By adding this 0.6 with 0.4, 6 plus 4 10 and we have to carry over 1 here. So 1, this 1.0 is 1. So finally we left with 44 into 1, which is 44 meter square. All the units are given in meter. So the first part, the area of the canvas used is 44 meter square. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So the cost equal to CSA into, or better we say area of canvas which is used into 500. So this is 44 meter square into 500. So when we multiply, 5 goes are 20, 2 is carried over here, 5 goes are 20 plus 2, 22, and we should also put 2 more zeros. So totally it is rupees 22,000 rupees.